Hello. This is Adia2. This presentation is about how professional development training for teachers can be transformed into online professional learning to better prepare teachers to integrate education technology into lesson plans. Education technology can enhance academic success in many ways. The major benefit of technology in learning is that it offers the ability to differentiate instruction to meet the needs of every student. There are many free educational technology resources available online, yet only a small segment of teachers nationwide find ways to infuse technology into lessons. So why aren't more classrooms using technology-infused learning material? One answer that teachers give is that there's too little training, and traditional teacher training workshops just aren't up to snuff. A 2015 survey of 4,300 teachers nationwide found that 90% felt technology was important for classroom success. 2/3 wanted to integrate technology but said they needed more training. 38% said they learn new technology on their school. Districts are usual providers of professional development but usually consists of someone explaining a PowerPoint and cool resources. When teachers go back to the classroom, no one is checking to see if they integrate technology effectively. The Department of Education created the PT3 program to explore new ways to harness the potential of technology to transform teacher education. An innovative professional development practice explored was the online learning format. There's a need to make professional development more interactive. Online professional development offer opportunities to connect with master teachers who are skilled in helping other teachers create a strategic plan for integrating technology. Master teachers can use technologies such as Google Hangout or a webcam to share their classroom with teachers from other schools and school districts. This way, professional development would offer contact a world where teachers are being asked to personalize their lessons for individual students. It simply makes sense that professional development trainers do the same for teachers by transforming training to an online learning format.